If you are looking for a variety pack of rope or paracord ropes in different colors, this you definitely have to see. The box that I just showed y'all has 80 of these, all different colors. Each one is approximately 10 feet long. They all come wrapped with like a little clear rubber band, and then you can unrope them. So if you're not familiar with this type of rope, it can be used for arts and crafts. You can make a dog collar with it. Lots of different things can be done with this type of rope. We started making some bracelets with it. So here's one of our little braided bracelets that we started making, and we've done some others as well. So in the inside of each rope, it actually has 7 little ropes. This stuff is really durable. So whenever you braid it, it gets really like nice and taut. You could just use these for so many different things. If you know someone that's into DIY or into crafting, this would be a great gift idea for them. You can also use these outdoors, which we will likely do because we live on a farm. So I'm sure we're going to find lots of great uses for these, crafting and also just general use. But I'm just really impressed with the fact that the string is like as tight and strong and well made as it is. So overall, I think this is a really great product, something I would highly recommend if you are looking for this type of string.